Hi, everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to share how you can score an exclusive Walmart promo code to save big on your next shopping trip. Follow along, it's super simple. First, head over to easycoupon.co/Walmart to get started. Once you're on the website, enter your email address carefully because your promo code will be sent directly to your inbox. Let me show you how this works by entering mine. Next, choose whether you're using an iOS or Android device. I'll select Android since that's what I'm using. Click Continue, and the site will begin generating your promo code. To ensure you're a real person and not a bot, you'll need to complete a quick verification step. This involves downloading 2 free apps from the App Store. These apps are entirely free, reliable, and downloaded by millions. Once you've downloaded the apps, open and use each for about a minute. Some apps may ask you to sign up or even reach level 9 or 10 in a game. Don't worry, it's a small step and totally worth it because your promo code is waiting for you at the end. Let's speed things up while I complete this process, and I'll play some music in the background. And there you go. My Walmart promo code just landed in my inbox, and I'm ready to shop and save on everything from groceries to gadgets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Happy shopping!